Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do page 303. And I think by now you can probably pretty much do this all by yourself, but we're going to add two things, and they're just showing you how you're going to take the two different groups and put them together. And is still. Tomorrow we are going to do with using the plus sign and the equal sign. But we're using, they're showing you this time how they have two different things. So they're using unifix cubes and counters. I still have my two different color counters up here. And you have two groups, and then you put them together to make the whole, how many all together. So you're going to go ahead and trace the numbers at the top, 1 and 4. You can use your unifix cubes if you want to practice with your unifix cubes. I have 1 yellow, 4 brown. You put them together. How many all together is? 5. So go ahead and trace the top numbers. 1 and 4 is 5. You're going to do the same thing for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I want you to do those all by yourself. We're going to do 5 and 6 together, finding the missing numbers, the numbers they want you to fill in. They've given you the answers, and you need to fill in the numbers that are missing. Okay, so you can hit pause and do number 1, 2, 3, and 4 by yourself first, or you can go ahead and do 5 and 6 with me and then go back and do them. Okay, I'm going to do number 5 right now. So on number 5, here's what they want you to do. Have the students draw the other group. Draw a circle around the group to put them together and then complete the addition sentence. Okay, so the first group they drew has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So go ahead and write the number 7 for the red counters. So they have 7. I'm going to go ahead and put, let's see, I'm going to use my blue counters, and I'm going to make 7, 4, 5, 6, 7 counters. And they told us that we need to have 9 all together. So we're going to start with 7, and we're going to count on to 9 to see how much is in the second group. 7, 8, 9. And you can do this with drawing with your pencil. So there's 7, 8, 9. And so how many did you draw? You drew 2. So you're going to write the number 2 for the second group. And then your problem is finished. 7 and 2 is 9 all together. And they want you to draw the circle around them all together. That's how much is all together. And that's the answer. They want you to do the same thing up here as well, drawing a circle around all of them after you answer it for how much is all together, just like they did on the front, putting them all together. Okay, number 6. You ready for this one? Now both groups are missing, but we're going to make 7 all together. So I'm going to take my green ones away. So I have 7 up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be our answer for the last problem. But then we're going to read and see how we're going to break these up into 2 groups. It says, have the students draw counters to show 2 groups that equal 7 when they put them together. Then complete the addition sentence. So you get to choose what your problem is going to be to make 7. So you're going to draw 7 any way you want. I may do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's part of it. I'm going to move this part over here and have 3 over here. So I'm going to have a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a group of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then when I put them all together, I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But you can do any combination of that you want. So if I move my chips around, I could do it different. I could move 2 more over here, and I could have 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 5 to make 7. Or I could put this one over here, and I could have 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to make 7. Or I could have left all of these over here, and I could have had, what if I did all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the first side, and 1 in the second place. So you can break up a group of 7 and then any way you want, write the 2 numbers that equal 7. So basically we're doing the same thing we do when we make Ben the 10 guy. I keep pointing over there because he's right over here. He's Ben the 10 guy, I keep pointing at him. So remember how we used to always make 10? Oh, my equal sign fell off. So you can choose, remember we roll the dice to make 10. So it gives us the first number, and then we add it on to make 10. You were just doing the exact same thing to make 7, choosing the 2 numbers that would make 7 all together. Okay, tomorrow we are going to use the plus sign and the equal sign, just like we did with Ben the 10. See you tomorrow. Bye.